this whole market right now seems to be one that's trying to figure out whether or not the next leg is higher or lower. Do you feel constructive, more negative? And if so, what exactly are you doing to position for it?
Hi, Dom. First of all, great to be here. Thanks. Well, at Diamond Hill, we take a really long-term perspective. As intrinsic value investors, we're looking for opportunities where there's companies that are essentially priced for a pretty serious recession, and we can look to the other side of that and say, what is the long-term earnings power of this business?
So if that's the case, where are you finding those? Is it stock specific, or are there certain industries that stand out to you?
There's a couple of themes, I'd say. First of all, companies with strong competitive advantages, where it's easier to forecast the earnings power of these businesses because it's easier to know how they're going to do relative to their competitors. And, certainly I'd say businesses that I would call core functions of the underlying economy. So, things like Caterpillar, where they're manufacturing the equipment needed to move things forward in the economy, as well as, with regard to mining new rare earths and things like that. That's all critical part of everything that underlies the growth in the economy coming out of the technology sector. And then we're also seeing opportunities in things like Union Pacific, where it is the opportunity for those companies to be able to do well when anything sells. So it doesn't matter which parts of the economy are doing well, as long as anyone needs to move anything on the West Coast, Union Pacific is there.
All right, so I think industrials, because I think Caterpillar and maybe even Union Pacific from a transportation standpoint. I wonder, we've just got a little bit of time left, Heather. I'd like to get your take on whether or not you feel like Netflix is a buy with intrinsic value right now, and whether or not the banks are, given the earnings that we've seen.
I definitely think there's a lot of companies that we'll see a ton of earnings coming out over the next few days. And while I can't comment specifically on Netflix, I could say that if we're looking at the technology sector, we love to find companies that are really a fundamental part of the economy, similar to what I was talking about before. And so at Diamond Hill, we've been really interested in Google as an example of a company that we think has very strong long-term earnings power and growth.
Sure.